Dream 11 IPL 2020 has started. Like, after so long, so many hurdles and you know, so many setbacks, it has finally started. First, it was COVID situation. I mean, COVID is still going on, but like for originally, it was scheduled to happen in India, and the COVID situation in India has gotten worse now. So they moved it to Dubai, Abu Dhabi. Then there were sponsorship problems. So some sponsors left like at the last moment. So they had to get new sponsors, new partners, or like all of that. So and it is a very difficult task, to get sponsors to pay you for sponsoring, like to pay you large amount of money. It is a very difficult task, but they did all of that, and finally it has started. But this time it is a little different. Like it is different from previous years, and I think this is going to be the most watched IPL because cricket has been on a halt for a long, long time now. I mean, England and I think England West Indies series started. Then England played Australia and also Ireland. So cricket was started, but these were like home, like bilateral series, not like not a tournament of this magnitude. Like you can say like IPL is like right at the in top five more like top five tournaments of cricket. You can easily say that. Yes, it's like it's Indian Premier League, but it's easily in the top five when you talk about eyeballs, like who are how many people are watching a particular tournament. So it's definitely in the top five. Maybe World Cups precede IPL, but it's definitely in the top five. But this time it is different. Virat Kohli also said this. Like it's not just about playing and winning this time. It's about putting smiles on people's face. And it is that. Like I haven't seen this much hype about IPL in a long, long time. Like in the first 2 or 3 years, it was like the hype was like this, which I had seen in this year's IPL. Like people just want something. They just want you know they just want some sporting event. And IPL, we all know that IPL can be very, very exciting, and it has shown us in the past, by its nail biting finishes and all of that. So we all know that it can be very, very exciting, and it I think the second match already drew, and it was a super over. So it is like right, it is entertaining right from the start. So definitely the hype is there, and I think the hype is real. But when I say it's different this time, I don't say from viewer's perspective. I also say that from players' perspective, because they have to be in quarantine. They can't just wander around anywhere. They can't go into any hotel. And in the previous IPL, there used to be parties. There used to be interaction with fans, press conferences, and all of that. But this time, there's no such thing. And I don't think there's gonna be parties and any interactions with the fans because of the COVID situation, obviously. So this is different, and it's difficult, when you are playing in such high pressure games, and you have so much responsibility. You have to take some time off. You have to go out. You need something to take time off from cricket and all those responsibilities and all of that, but they can't. Like this time they can't. They just have to deal with it, and it's really, really difficult, playing in such uh, such conditions. There are like conditions are humid there, and they have to play in such harsh conditions. And like after such high pressure games, they just have to go back to their hotels. They can't wander around. They can't interact with friends. They can't go to parties, and sometimes they can't even go to their teammates' rooms because of the quarantine situation. So it's really difficult. Like it's physically cricket is always challenging, but this time mentally it is more challenging than physical. So that's why this is like this time it's different. And I read somewhere that from hotel to stadium it's I think 1.5 hour bus ride, and they can't stop in between because of the quarantine rules and because of the COVID rules. They can't stop in between. So the ride is non-stop. If you have a bathroom break or you want to eat something, you just cannot do that now. So this is really difficult for the players. So I think we should all thank the BCCI and the players for doing this. I know this is, it's business for them also. They are also earning money and all of that, but this is very, very difficult situation. And there are no fans in the stadium. Like that rush that you get when there are fans cheering for you, it's different. It's very different. It motivates you to play better cricket, and you know some players might benefit from empty stadium. Some might get discouraged from it. It depends on players, but yeah, this time is very different. But people has been waiting for this for a long time now. They wanted IPL to start. They wanted something entertaining, and now that it has started, I think it is going to be the most watched IPL ever, like ever, most watched IPL ever. So it will be great to to see all the action, and let's hope we have a great IPL without any more hurdles. Okay, be safe, guys. Peace.